What's going on, guys? Angel here, begin. Oops, camera's getting all wonky. There we go. Try that. Hopefully you guys can hear me just fine. Angel here, begin. Crypto, a little bit late, guys. I'm sorry, I have YouTube right over here and I have TikTok right over here. So I'm going to be bouncing back and forth between the questions and the chats. So make sure you guys go ahead and make sure you guys smash the like button. Hi, good evening from Cyprus. Atu, thank you very much. Mastermind Blaster in the house. What's going on? What's good, guys? Angel here, Begin Crypto. Sorry, like I said, I am in my home office today, guys. I'm in my home office. I didn't want to go live on my computer. I didn't want it to the stream to lag. It's been laggy without me having my Ethernet cable, and I don't have my Ethernet cable with me to plug in here at the house. So I decided to go live here on my phone as well as on TikTok. But I also have my computer in front of me so that I can do some analysis as well as chit and chat. It's going to be a little quick live today. As you guys can see, though, Bitcoin's down to 56.8, guys, 56.8. Chance says XRP. Yeah, XRP is doing awesome. Fritz24 says, what's up? Good to see you, Fritz, in the house. Thank you for showing some love on the chat. If you guys are here, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Smash the like button for the viewers here on YouTube. As always, thanks, TikTok. But as we woke up today and we saw Cardano at $1.70. And thank you guys for smashing the like button, but that is amazing, guys. $1.70. Now we're down here about $1.63. I think we could see Cardano go well into the $2 range here in the immediate short term. I think the price target for May going into June is probably about 260. About 260, 255, 260, I think is where we're going to see Cardano hit. But I think there's going to be some psychological pressures, guys, psychological pressures for Cardano to go past $2. It's about time. David Christensen says, absolutely, it is about time. Like I said, I made that funny TikTok a while ago that's still getting likes. It shows me on TikTok checking my portfolio, and then Cardano shows up, and it's like it's a stable coin because it has been a stable coin, but now it is absolutely pumping. Absolutely pumping. Good to see you guys. Nuno, Nicholas, Gage, good to see you as well, man. I've enjoyed talking to you, Gage, on Telegram. So good to see you guys in the house today. But today we're going to be talking about Cardano and XRP. And one of the reasons Cardano is starting to pump is I think we're starting to get that initial pump from the Alonzo update that is going to be introducing smart contracts, which is going to actually make Cardano's utility absolutely crazy. My ADA is in a saving earning interest at the same time. Absolutely awesome, David. Absolutely awesome. I'm probably in a portfolio. Hey, bro, thank you so much for your consistent help whenever I have questions. Gage, you deserve that, man. You're the man. Appreciate you a lot. Ethereum Classic is absolutely mooning. Jose, I actually put out a video yesterday on YouTube about Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash, why I think they're almost dead projects. Like I said, Charles and Gavin and Vitalik aren't working on Ethereum Classic, and they're not working on and Bitcoin Cash is getting worked on a little bit. But with that being said, Bitcoin Cash is essentially to me a dead project. And the reason I say that is because Bitcoin's utility is no longer to actually be a currency. Institutions, whales have really decided and really deemed Bitcoin as the digital gold. So there really isn't use for Bitcoin necessarily to be a medium of exchange, but rather a store of value. Rico, let's get this. Rico, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a minute, man. Where you been? We need you in the Discord, my guy. Where you been? Man, you're one of the staples in there. You got old Patrick Bateman in there bragging about his Dogecoin pumps and his Cummy Rockets pumps, and we need you, brother. So we need you, Rico. No, I'm just kidding. By the way, Patrick Bateman is one of the best Discord guys we have. Like I said, he left me an awesome testimonial review about everything he's learned about cryptocurrency. So like I said, Patrick's the man. But man, he's become a millionaire twice, one on Cummies and one on Doge. So that's crazy. I just read into the whole hack and the creation of Ethereum Classic. It has no more value. Pretty interesting story. Gage, good job. Good job for looking into that more. The other thing, though, that does actually make things interesting as Ethereum goes to Ethereum 2.0, there's no longer any mining. I wonder if the Ethereum miners will go over to Ethereum Classic to mine, especially as they see the value pumped up right now. So that's a very interesting thing. Hello, Patrick is a beast. Yeah, he's the man. Patrick's a freak. But yeah, we miss you, Rico. Good to see you in the house. David Christian says, what's your honest opinion on Doge? It's a pump and dump. Like I said, I think it's an awesome community coin, but overall, guys, I don't think it has It doesn't have a ton of utility. I know there's a lot of places that are starting to use it as currency. Maybe it does become the world currency. Maybe our world currency becomes the biggest joke meme of all time, which would be still not as funny as the dollar, in my opinion. Crypto joke, but if you guys don't get it, it's whatever. But like I said, Ethereum Classic, that is a very interesting story, like Gage said. But and overall, I think Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash are dead. Simply, I think Bitcoin Cash is dead because it is not going to be used as a currency. We already established that. Michael Saylor and the boys say that it's a store of value. The whales say it's a store of value. It's a store of value. There's nothing we can do about it. Like I said, if that's how they view it and that's how they want to put money into it, if that's how they adopt it, we can find a different means of being a currency. Speaking of being a means of currency, let's talk about XRP a little bit, guys. XRP is absolutely pumping right now, and we bought in at $1.76 on the 2K to 1 million challenge. We FOMO'd in. Rico, we're almost back to even. We're almost up to even, Rico, when we FOMO'd. But I think, especially if the SEC beats this lawsuit, if they beat the SEC or they plea out to this agreement, I think XRP is going to $253 immediately, like that. So that's where we're at with that. Like I said, Gage said he read the whole back story on Ethereum Classic. That's awesome. The other thing I want to talk to you guys about, that the Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum thing before, Rico, right? Lucas says, how are you doing, man? I'm great, man. How are you? I hope you're well. But like I said, guys, I want to talk about Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum really quick. The reason they are pumping, and the reason they are pumping is simply because all of these new retail investors that made a bunch of money on Doge, and all these people who are in the traditional stock markets, they have all of their money on Robinhood, on Webull, on PayPal. So they're taking all of their money, the ones that they made with Doge, all this money they made from Doge, and all this money that they made from the stocks by GMR clown. I'll take a look, but I mean, you don't got to clown me, Naz. You don't got to clown me, dog. Peak Billion says, which crypto should I buy for this month? Like I said, there's a few that I've been liking. I think HBAR is going to pop this month. That's just my opinion. I think it's been consolidating for a while. I think Harmony 1 is also going to pop here soon. I think it's been consolidating for too long. And I think Luna is going to pop back as well. So, but by the way, guys, all these, I want to go back to Ethereum Classic. Let's go. I think Ethereum Classic is a dead project. Bitcoin Cash is a dead project, just my opinion. But the reason they're pumping is because all these people from Webull, all these people from Robinhood, all these people from PayPal have all this cash from Doge. And then from there, they're just moving their money over to something that they can buy, because they can only buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, and Litecoin and Doge on Robinhood. So they're just moving their money because they see all this craze happening in cryptocurrency, and they're deciding that they should probably put their money into crypto, and that's the only projects that they can put themselves in. So make sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are on YouTube here, make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button if you guys are getting amazing value here, so that more people can see this. HBAR and VET, I'm all in on those two. HBAR and VET, Rico, like I said, I'm with you there. Bought XDC, sold it at 30% today. Now I'm up 30% on Ethereum Classic. Good for you, little love. Like I said, I wouldn't FOMO into Ethereum Classic, but I'm not hating necessarily, because I think Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash are going to do super well. Guys, by the way, if you're on YouTube and you guys are watching this again, there's no need for you guys to put it on ×2 speed or ×1.5 speed. I'm already going 100 miles an hour right now. I'm super excited. Like I said, we're at about $8,600 for the challenge, which is really awesome. This pump is good. Like I said, I think we're going to see this big pump get into the middle of May, but then I think towards the middle of May, into the end of May, we're going to shell up. I'm probably going to go in the challenge, go into all stable coins in the challenge. Let the end of May do its thing, because I think we're going to go way up here in May. I think Bitcoin's going to go to 75K here in May alone. I think Ethereum's going to hit well into the 4s this May, and then I think we're going to see a big old pullback at the end of May before we get into the hot season of DeFi in the summer. So we'll sell at 35% ROI. May is weird. Yeah, May has been kind of weird. Like I said, I thought, early in May, I thought we were going to see a bigger boom. I thought Bitcoin was going to do its thing right now, hanging out at high 56s. But I think Bitcoin is going to start moving here pretty soon. I'm also going to put out, I've got a couple of videos pre-recorded already for you guys. I have one about Poo Coins. I know Rico and the boys are going to love the Poo Coin video. Obviously, they're already doing it, but for the people who've wanted to get into Poo Coins and don't know how, wisecrypto.net, whether you're doing that for some promotion, regardless, I appreciate the donations for the present and the rose, my guy. Wisecrypto.net, appreciate you. Like I said, I don't know what you're doing yet. I'd have to probably check you out, but like I said, I appreciate the donation. So as always, thank you a lot for that. Gage, is your Discord link in your bio? Yep, it's in my bio. You guys can go ahead and join there. We got a lot of cool guys like Rico who take a massive risks, to Patrick Bateman who just like stumbles upon $1 million like it's his job. So like I said, it's crazy what's going on here in the Discord group. As always, we're always sharing our best advice. I give you my minute-to-minute trades in the 2K to 1 million challenge. So if you guys haven't joined Discord yet, guys, go ahead and join Discord. So Carlson, what's up? Man, why is Crypto.net taking over these donations, my guy? I appreciate you a lot. So regardless, I think he might be shilling himself, but you know what? I'm not too good for a little bit of TikTok money. So if you want a little advertising, there you go. Hey, when is it a good time to buy ADA? I think a good time to buy ADA was holding it with us for the last freaking 3 months like a stable coin. But like I said, I could go ahead and check out ADA here on MarketCipher for you guys and see what we're looking at here in the immediate short term for ADA. But I think the price target is going to be $2 here in the immediate short term. We might get a hiccup. I told you to buy Bake in your live stream at 80 cents. For real, you did though. Facts God, you really did. And I put a video out about it. I definitely put a video out about it. So Facts God coming in clutch there. And by the way, Facts God, I appreciate you as always, because you always fend off the trolls when I'm trying to do my live stream. There's always people trolling and saying weird stuff. So Facts God always battling the trolls for me in the comments. So I appreciate that. Good time to buy Safe Moon. No time is my opinion, but I mean, if you want to go ahead and put a little money in there, it doesn't no shame. Facts God says, thanks, man. I appreciate you a lot. It's more than you know, no problem. What do you think? What do you suggest, Eddie? 1 inch? Nah, I mean, neutral on 1 inch. Is it pumping right now? I actually haven't seen. Would you rather wait on ADA or buy something else right now? Like I said, looks like we got the small green dot here moving upwards more on the momentum. RSI at about 79. We've seen historically on the bigger dips for Cardano. Let me see where the RSI, because I mean, with the RSI of Cardano being kind of like a really popular project, I want to see where the dips have been coming. The dips came RSI 83, RSI 92, and we're at 79. So where were we up here at this last big dip? We were at 90. So I think Cardano's got a little bit more room to run here. It's at $1.62. I think you could see it hit $1.64, 65. I think we're going to find a ceiling here, a little resistance here at this $1.65. We might see it dip back down here, turn this $1.50. We're at $49.50 into support. That's what you could see. So if you're waiting in the immediate short term, you might see a dip into the 150s. Might be an okay time to buy. But I think it's going to $2 really sick. TRX, Tron is good right about now. I hate Tron. David, no offense, but like I said, I hate John and Justin Sun, what he's doing. Seller's solid. Nah, what? I have some Safe Moon. It's going up, but it's a gamble at the end of the day. Facts guy, that's absolutely true. Like I said, if you want to join the Discord group, Rico's always got his poo coin of the week, and he's always crushing it. So he'd probably be a good guy to ask inside of the Discord group. Wasn't Tron a scam? The thing about Tron is just their marketing, guys. This is why I don't like Tron. Justin Sun. Actually, what I like is one of my favorite articles about Tron is Marcus Brownlee. Got an email, got a DM on Twitter from Tron. They're trying to shill it, and Marcus Brownlee loves his people. Like I said, I love Marcus Brownlee as well on YouTube. An awesome guy, especially with me being in video and digital marketing and playing around with my Black Magic Pocket Cinemas and all of that stuff. Like I said, I love video, and that's what I do as well. That's actually why I'm late. I was shooting a real estate video. But the reason that Marcus Brownlee called them out is because they were trying to shill. Tron was trying to shill to him and tell him to promote it. And Justin Sun had who was it? Rapper Lil Yachty and all these people, all these big celebrities, and he was shilling it to them. And like I said, the marketing is just super, super sketchy. So I don't like that. And Marcus Brownlee said he called him out and just told him on his YouTube channel and on his Twitter saying, dude, you're coming at me like this. This stuff is all set up. So Is it a rug pull? I wouldn't say it's necessarily a rug pull. I just think that Justin Sun just purchases random projects and he just can't put them together. He's got Tron and then he's got BitTorrent. He's got a couple other smaller things. Like there's just no unity in what he's doing. There's just no unity together in what he's doing. I sold 0.5 of my ETH before it popped off. Before it popped off to buy 10K of VET. I think it was a good move in the long term. I think VeChain's got a long way to move. So like Rico and I said, we're pretty all in on VeChain and HBAR. We like those two a lot too. So VeChain is really solid. I think Cardano or Ethereum is going to pump absolutely mad, but overall, I don't think you're in the wrong. I think VeChain's got a lot more ceiling right now in the especially in this bull run. Ethereum, you're probably going to look at another 4 to 6x probably at the best. But I think VeChain still got a 10 to 15x. So that's just my opinion. I think it could get $2. Definitely could get the $2. Have you seen Raincoin Rainy? I haven't yet. I think Engine is a sleeping giant as well. That's absolutely what I was thinking, Facts God. The problem with Engine though, just with the gaming industry, it just has a ceiling where projects like, the smart contracts and HBAR and DeFi and all of that, a lot of those projects don't have a ceiling. Aave, there's no ceiling. DeFi is going to be absolutely huge. Thank you, Lawnmower Guy. Appreciate that for starting up right now. But VeChain has been a stable coin for some time. When do you think it'll pop off? I mean, VeChain went from 6 to 28. It went 4x like that. So, I mean, these harmonies and the HBARs and the VeChains and Luna, like those projects have been like 20, and even Engine, 20 to 30x since they came out, since January 1st. So, I mean, they need to take a break. They need to take a breather. Chili's is another one. Like I said, these got to take a break. So there is no reason that they're not pumping. It's just that they need to take a break too. So suddenly, just like Doge did unexpectedly. Yep, absolutely true. Loving Hydra right now. Good for you, Dozer. Like I said, I haven't looked into Hydra either, but hopefully it is killing for you because I wish nothing but the best for every single one of you guys who are watching. WiseCrypto.net, loving giving me presents, man. I appreciate that a lot. What do you think? When do you think the retrace will come? I think it'll start to come towards the end of May. Like I said, I think mid-May is going to be where Bitcoin absolutely gets to that, past that 65 into the 70s. That's my opinion. So like I said, not financial advice, but I think May 15, 16, 17, 18, around there, I think that's going to be where, facts. Chain has been killing it and will continue. Yep, VET 150, boom. Evening, bud. Sion, what's up? I don't know where you're from, but it's afternoon here. But wherever you're from, man, I appreciate it. What do you think about BitTorrent? I don't like BitTorrent at all. Like I said, just for Justin Sun reasons. But that's just my opinion, guys. What other questions do we have? ADA holders were so happy. This morning I woke up and I was ecstatic. So evening, appreciate it a lot. What you think about LYM? What you think about it? No. Nothing on there. Jack Forrester in the house. Rico, bro, I hope it will happen this cycle. I think it'll happen this cycle as well. But like I said, this was just a quick live, guys. Like I said, I apologize for being a little bit late. Like I said, 11:30 Central Time is normally when I go, but we'll say it was 11:30 Mountain Time instead of Central Time. So appreciate your luck. Are you looking into that graph, to the graph or that graph? Have you heard of Happy Token? I have not. Is it a poo coin? Hopefully it's not. Please don't go. It's always a blessing, man. Joel, man, I appreciate you a lot. Anchor, Roberta Skin says Anchor. I'll look at the Anchor chart for you really quick. I'm pretty neutral on Anchor, but let's go ahead and take a look at Anchor. Looks like some consolidating going on here at 16 cents. Seems to be some resistance at about 18 cents. A little bit of support here at 12 cents, but it's just been bouncing around, consolidating. And this big pump happened late March. It's been chilling for about 5-6 weeks. I think Anchor could be another one that could see another move up with the right news or with the right combo of profits moving downward from the top 10 down. VET is a good coin to invest in long term. VET, I completely get. Orient Protocol partner with Cardano today. Boom, Orient Protocol. That's awesome. Check Happy Charts. Don't think it is. It has utility and partnerships with small cap and small market cap. Okay, I'll check Happy USD. Must be wrapped Ether. Yep, looks like it's wrapped. Looks like it just launched. It might have just launched March 10th. Seeing the top at 30 cents. It was up down. It's right now. Its top was at 32 cents. The bottom was 21 cents. Currently at 30 cents moving up in the right direction. I don't know of any news. You can get it on Uniswap, HAPI. I have to look more into it, but like I said, it looks like the momentum wave on the on MarketCipher shows a small green dot moving upward towards the momentum, towards up and to the right. That's pretty solid. Harmony, like I said, I think Harmony 1 is going to go off. The graph has been quiet. The graph could go off as well, but it's been bounced. Look at Phantom, CRV, and Sushi, all on the verge of a break. Yes, we've been in Phantom, so we know that. I can take a look at Curve and Sushi, bullish pattern on the charts, similar to what ADA did in February to look into the dip. Tcash, that's awesome. Appreciate you a lot. Do you think TrueBit protocol is a scam? I'd have to take a look as well. Like I said, I haven't been looking at those bottom as I've been focused on the top 100 as of a lot lately, because I think that's where the big pumps are going to come. I think as we start to see this mature in the next 5 to 10 days, I'm going to start to be looking at that bottom, below 100 in the 200-300s for some real true alts. But okay, guys, until next time, guys, I will talk to you soon. Angel here, Begin Crypto. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out YouTube. I have some really good videos coming for you soon. I have the PooCoin video coming for my Patreon members first, but shortly after, I will put it on YouTube. Another video I have is the 90 days, the first 90 days, what we're looking at, the goods and the bads and the uglies of our first 90 days in the 2K to 1 million challenge. I'm going to talk about that. We're currently at $8,500. We're at 4x of where we started, which is really cool. So, we're going to be looking at that. The other video is how we're going to prepare to get out of this bull market, how we're going to prepare for the bear market, and what you guys should be doing during the bear market so that the next bull market you guys turn into millionaires, multimillionaires, decamillionaires, etc. Or you could just hang out with Patrick Bateman, that dude in our Discord. Like I said, he just becomes a millionaire from Cummies and Doge and all kinds of dumb crap. So, or you could hang out with Rico, who's ceiling for pressure and gambling and going all in on a couple projects is super high. Dude doesn't miss. Like I said, join our Discord group, guys. It's freaking fun. So thank you, guys. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Angel here, Begin Crypto. Like I said, 9 people watching on YouTube right now, staying by. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button. Check out all the videos we have to offer here at Begin Crypto. Joel, until next time, talk to you soon. Peace, guys. What do you think?